subscribe to Android Discovery channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. Realme Watch S features a silver-colored chassis and strap, and it will be priced at Rs. 4,999. It will be available for purchase through Flipkart and Realme India's online store starting at 12 p.m. local time on June 7th. For Realme Watch S buyers, the company is also offering orange, blue, and green-colored straps worth Rs. 499 each. The Realme Watch S has a round-shaped 1.3-inch LCD touch panel that delivers 360 by 360 pixels resolution. It is equipped with an aluminium body and a removable strap. It is backed by a 390 mAh battery that promises up to 20 days of battery life. It lacks support for GPS connectivity. The Watch S comes with Bluetooth 5.0 support and is compatible with Android and iOS devices. It supports numerous sports modes, downloadable watch faces, call, message notifications, Find Phone, remote camera, music control, and more. Apart from heart rate sensor and blood oxygen saturation level monitor, it also features a 3-axis accelerometer and rotor vibration motor. Guys, I hope you liked my video. If you really liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. Thank you.